Why am I making it so complicated? Why am I making it so complicated? Why am I making it so complicated? My name is Rubelli. I help you to turn followers into customers using video, and today I'm about to share my top 5 Instagram Reels idea. Let's get to it. Idea number 1 is the progress. Now, how did you get to where you are today in your career? Or how did you take that particular project you're working on from point A to point B? Walk your audience through the progress of what you're doing and show them the end result will really inspire your audience to get to their results as well, and will be a great content for your Instagram Reel.
DIY hanging closet wall. I bought 2 racks from Amazon and had a handyman come to install them. Then I started by unpacking my clothing by category and then went back in and organized by color and style.
Idea number 2 is act your thoughts. Now, if you're someone that is working out the confidence on camera, this might be the right idea for you. You want to take a very common negative mindset or a negative thought within your industry, or that your audience might have maybe a roadblock that is stopping your audience to achieve their end goal. You want to take that thought, act it out, and share how to overcome them in a way that is relatable, funny, and inspirational. Just like that.
7 self-limiting beliefs. I don't have time. I can't trust people. I'm not good enough. I'll be judged. I'll fail. I don't have enough resources. That's impossible.
Instagram Reel number 3 is trend watch. Now, trends on social media are so much fun. Now, regardless, this is a music that is really popular at the moment, a particular dance that everybody's doing, or a voiceover that everybody's jumping on. This can really be tailored to your industry and to yourself as well. Find that particular one that really makes you laugh and really inspire you, and of course you feel comfortable with, and just repurpose that in a way that feels right to you, to your audience, and to your industry.
Smile without your eyes. Raise your eyebrows. Stop smiling. That's your model face.
Idea number 4 is social proof. Now it's time for you to take action and to take your audience with you in one of your moments where you are shining, where you are inspiring, educating, motivating somebody, when you are helping somebody out with your product or with your service. We want to see action, and we want to see you in action, delivering what you say you can do best. This particular content is very inspiring for people, and they love to see you in action, delivering what you share and what you promise each and every day. We don't want to see too much of it. It wants to be a very sneak peek, but this will help you to build your credibility and trust.
You don't have to live in suffering and pain and failure all the time. Like, people hate working out. You're only going to visit working out maybe an hour a day. 23 other hours of the day, you're not in it. But how you become in shape is you must visit suffering, visit working out 1 hour a day. Visit suffering 1 hour a day. Visit your past failures 1 hour a day. The relationship with it is the answers are in there.
Instagram Reel idea number 5 is to share a hack or a tip of something you know very well. Now, people on Instagram are always looking for tips and hacks to do something better. So find something you feel particularly confident about and start to share some tips and your perspective on how to do it better. I personally love doing this with Instagram, and I follow a specific account that I love where I always get tips about how to use my iPhone in the best way. This kind of content is really relatable, and it will also help you to increase your engagement and view, and help you to be standing out and reaching new account. You can also use this on stories and then repurpose this content into an Instagram Reels. For instance, I did a very easy Instagram story where I was sharing tricks on how to use your light with glasses, and I will then repurpose that into an Instagram Reels later on. So the possibilities to create content are endless. You just have to be a little bit creative and think outside of the box.
For a transparent background, press the pen tool, choose your color, then choose the highlighter tool and hold down on the screen. To make your emojis glow, choose an emoji, then click on the neon text, choose the background and add your color. Turn your live photos into boomerangs by holding down on the screen. Create a gradient text by holding down on the word and sliding your finger across that word and the color gradient at the same time.
If you like any of these ideas and you would like to support me, smash some love with the like button. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload a new one. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you same time, same place on the next one.